Hell's Point, Report Number 5, Catacombs. An extensive search of the Shell Bay Caves in its northern forest revealed an intricate pathway of underground tunnels and catacombs, as well as a mass grave of over 500 men, women, and children, spanning 3 levels. A team of 15 investigators are currently attempting to map out these catacombs. Update. As of this time, we have found that these tunnels reach all the way from the cave entrance in the North Forest down to the fish cannery by the docks. There also seem to be many branching paths leading off to several other prominent landmarks in the town. Since the initial report of the catacombs, we've lost 3 investigators through cave-ins. It has not been confirmed whether they are still alive or were crushed by falling debris. Further update. 2 of the 3 missing investigators have been recovered. One was able to dig himself out of the debris and find his way to safety. The other, however, was found with both eyes and his stomach removed. The cause of death would appear to be loss of blood. The other has not been found. Some of my colleagues believe that these incidents are the work of wild animals or a standalone serial killer. However, these incidents in and around Shell Bay would dictate otherwise. Kidnapping, train crash, specific patterns of mutilation to animal and human corpses. More reports to be filed as more information is gathered.